Welcome. In this episode, you will see the most dangerous floods and landslides that have caused a lot of damage.
Peace be upon you, followers of the Did You Know channel.
Let's start with these scenes. From last May in one of the Chinese provinces, this flood did not cause any loss of life, but it destroyed many homes. The driver stopped at the right moment. The car's safety glass is the only thing that was damaged. The water carries a lot of dirt and black stones with it. It's a terrifying sight. There's no way to save that truck. It started with a few rocks rolling down and ended with a terrifying collapse. It would have been better for them to run away instead of standing there watching the collapse. In 2024, Chile experienced a series of powerful snowstorms, and during those storms, the winds were so strong that they flipped over some cars. And here we have another terrifying collapse. This scene was filmed in Ecuador. Everyone here stopped to watch that huge rock as it moved from its place. It's the year 2018 near the city of Lyman in Costa Rica. This landslide covered a vast area and also caused a river to be blocked, which will have an impact on the ecosystem. The way the soil is falling like that is a warning of a landslide. Fortunately, the paved road was not damaged. This landslide happened because of digging the tunnel through the mountain. Suddenly, rocks, dirt, and even trees piled up in the middle of the road. Here, a strong flow of muddy torrents mixes with the river stream. The heavy rain caused this landslide. Never try to test your car's strength against floods. These scenes were filmed in an Indian village in the summer of this year, after heavy rain fell for several consecutive days. A huge part of this mountain moved from its place. If you build your house on the edge of a cliff, you have to bear the consequences. It's better for them to abandon that car and get away from this place. Here we see a terrifying rock slide in Venezuela. All those rocks fell on top of 15 houses down below. This scene was filmed in New Zealand in 2019 during a rock cliff collapse. The vibrations caused by the engines. In this avalanche, it's a good thing it wasn't strong. Summer is the season of landslides in India.
Retreat. Oh my god, the second avalanche today, and this is dangerous. Will this reach the camp? Oh my god!
All they hope for is that the avalanche doesn't reach their camp.
Oh my god, that's the second avalanche today. This is dangerous. Oh my god.
It was an enjoyable camping experience until the snow ruined it. Everyone stopped working to watch that avalanche. That skier is struggling not to end up buried under the snow. And he reached the finish line safely. The herd sensed the storm moments before it started. The winds destroyed the facade of this building. The drivers had to stay in their cars. The winds tossed the cars like toys. That car didn't stay silent. In the face of the wind's power, the plane couldn't land because of the strong winds. The pilot had to take off again after a violent collision with the runway. The hurricane grows larger as it approaches. The strong winds almost knocked the truck off the bridge. This scene was filmed in August 2018 in Japan. On that day, wind speeds in some areas reached 195 kilometers per hour. When talking about storms, we must not forget the devastating floods. Heavy rainfall causes water levels in rivers and valleys to rise, and the biggest victims are the residents of nearby areas. The scene looks frightening from the deck of this ship. This is an image of a powerful hurricane taken from the International Space Station. This photo dates back to October 2016 near the Bermuda Islands. Children think that sliding there would be fun, but the wind has a different opinion. This terrifying tornado is a common sight for Oklahomans, who see about 70 each year. Some locals even get in their cars when they see a strong tornado and head toward it to film it up close.
I'm under fire from outside the area.
He is being transferred to.
Local media.
We hope that the insurance contracts for those cars cover damages caused by storms. The family members are terrified as they watch the tornado coming toward their house.
Chris is coming. I'm with my child. Go to the kids. Go, my children.
Go! Leave that door, step away, get in!
Leave that door, step away, get in, my child.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, look at this, my friend.
Be ready to run with me, okay? Be ready to run with me, my friend.
Look at all this mess, my brother.
This is the American state of Alabama. On March 16th of this year, the wind picked up a school bus and threw it right on top of the school. The good news is that there were no casualties from the incident.
Oh, nobody took me. Put him back.
The wind destroyed this place in just a few seconds. Hail doesn't fall for long periods, but if it's the size of a golf ball, it causes a lot of damage, and this scene proves it. It just looks like a huge cloud connected to the ground and not moving, but in reality, that's a devastating tornado. And here you can see the destruction it caused. Next time, they'll check the weather forecast before sailing. This scene was filmed on the coast of Spain, and the Coast Guard immediately evacuated all the passengers from these boats.
Quickly.
Yes, of course, thank you.
He didn't know the storm was strong until his window glass shattered. This scene was filmed during Typhoon Jeannie, which destroyed 1,000 homes in Japan in 2018. Here, the strong winds tore off the roofs and balconies of some houses. That steel bridge did not withstand the floods for long. This scene goes back to September 2022 in Puerto Rico, right after the devastating Hurricane Fiona, which was the strongest hurricane to hit the area since Hurricane Maria in 2017. Residents of coastal areas in Japan are always prepared for floods caused by tsunami waves. Walking over this bridge is a dangerous risk. The water could sweep it away at any moment. This flow is so strong that the water carried with it stones and huge rocks. These scenes are terrifying. Insurance companies will pay a lot to the owners of those cars. We are now in the northeast of Japan, specifically in 2011, where tsunami waves flooded many villages and towns near the coast. It's nice for a house to overlook the river directly, but the consequences are severe if the water level rises. That bus became like a toy in front of the flood.
Oh my God, it's going to be... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh wow, let's work on that.
The people of Colorado will remember what happened in September 2013 for the rest of their lives. At that time, floods swept through different parts of the state, causing material losses that are hard to compensate for. We are still in Spain, and this time in 2019, the streets of many cities turned into rivers, and going up to the upper floors of buildings was the only way to survive. The floods destroyed many cars and cut off electricity in many areas. But the good thing is that no lives were lost. The residents of this house in Spain found themselves trapped in the middle of the water, and the only way to rescue them was by helicopter. If you keep driving on this road, the car will soon be submerged. The best thing to do during floods is to head to higher ground. This is the Italian city of Genoa during a strong storm. These scenes are from November 2011, when the rainfall rate exceeded the usual average by more than 5 times. And here's the result. It's a mud flow carrying a lot of rocks in New Zealand.
I want a permit to Farm 37 to be Black Diamond. It's on the way.
The girl thought she could drive through the flooded road, and luckily, the rescue team was nearby.
I want permission. Farm 37. You're okay, it's alright. It happens.
We hope that bus was empty when it was swept away by the water. That's all we have for today. See you in another episode. Don't forget to support the video with a like. May God keep you safe.
If you enjoyed today's topic from the Hal Talam channel, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. You can also watch our previous videos. All rights reserved to Hal Talam channel.